The Port of Oakland occupies over 18 miles on the mainland shore of San Francisco Bay, one of the finest natural harbors in the world. The bay has served as Northern California's commercial harbor since the days of the gold rush and grew in importance with the Transcontinental Railroad. The first vessels to cross the Pacific were based here, starting more than 145 years of trade, tourism, and immigration from Asia. The port was formally established in 1927 and today handles 99% of all container traffic in Northern California. As one of the earliest adopters of containerization in the 1960s, we invested in its future potential. Today, more than 2 million TEUs transit the Port of Oakland each year. We're now the third largest container port on the U.S. West Coast and the fifth busiest in the United States, with more than 25 ocean carriers serving the port regularly. Located 300 nautical miles closer to Asia than Southern California, our location enables U.S. exports, including food and agricultural products, machinery, and technology to move to Asia with the fastest West Coast transit times. And our first call vessel services speed finished goods from Asia to the Northern California mega region of more than 6 million consumers. We are strategically located near California's Central Valley, America's most productive agricultural area, and intermodal rail and road networks link us to and from America's heartland. Our 818 acres of facilities include 7 modern congestion-free terminals with 20 deepwater berths and the latest generation Super Post-Panamax cranes. Our 50-foot depth enables the largest vessels in the Trans-Pacific to serve the port, creating efficiencies and economies of scale. We are the only West Coast port in which all 20 of the top 20 ocean carriers have regular service, with more than 2,000 calls each year. The rail terminals of the 2 largest Class 1 railroads, UP and BNSF, are adjacent to the terminals, and daily double-stack intermodal service connects us to every major market in North America. And we are minutes away from 4 major interstate highways linking California and the West. In fact, we are only 2 intermodal days reach from more than 50% of the U.S. population. We work closely with our partners, including government agencies and our customers, to ensure a cleaner port with sustainability initiatives that make environmental and economic sense. We have been declared a national strategic port by the U.S. government and employ the latest cargo security and terminal operating systems, all designed to minimize risk and increase productivity. What's more, we're the only California port authority to manage both a seaport and airport, with freight forwarding facilities, a free trade zone, and sea-air cargo links to speed time-sensitive products to markets throughout the U.S. and beyond. This combination of modern infrastructure, transit efficiency, and intermodal connections gives both importers and exporters the strong competitive advantage they need to compete in the global marketplace. Your choice for world-class, world-fast service is the Port of Oakland.